Hello, what's up, guys? It's Crypto Everything here with another new video. Today I'm going to be showing you an airdrop that you should quickly partake in because I think it's going to stop on the 22nd of this month, 2022 January. Okay, so without further ado, I would just like to get you into the today's airdrop. Okay, so all the links that I'm going to be using in this video, I'll leave them in the description below. Make sure you check them out. Okay, so one thing that you should know that this is not a financial advice. Should know that not all airdrops come out great, or not all airdrops actually happen. So these are speculated airdrops that I think you should participate in because you're going to be using free. You're going to be doing it for free. I mean, you're not going to be paying any time. So let's get into it. So first link you're going to see in the description, chainlist.org. You need to go there because what we are going to be doing is we're going to be testing a network, and in return we're going to be getting an airdrop soon. Okay, so there's an article here that tells us exactly how to go about it. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can go and check it, but I have read through and I know what to do because I have done this before. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says here the developer of Backed have indicated the possibility of an airdrop to testnet users, but nothing has been confirmed yet. So consider yourself whether you can spend time on the testnet. Okay, so we're going to be doing what testnets are is, or what a testnet is when a company develops a project or a service, they have a test net where you test those networks without using real money. So unlike if you go to your MetaMask, okay, so when you come over to your MetaMask, as you can see right here, all of these Ethereum, this is a mainnet. This is where you have your real money. Okay, you can see smart chain is where you have your real money. But if you see smart chain testnet, it's a testnet where you have, no matter what you see inside, this is fake money. So you can see we're going to be using the KOVAN testnet, and this is the KOVAN testnet that I'm on. As you can see, I have 1.2 Ethereum, and this is fake money. And I'm going to be getting because this that I've already gotten because this is a testnet. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you need to add the KOVAN testnet to your MetaMask. So that you go over to chainlink.org, come over here and search here. You can search for KOVAN, and it's going to appear, and then click on add to MetaMask, or you can go to your MetaMask and add it directly by just coming over here, clicking add network, and you add the KOVAN network details over here. I will link everything in the description. So I'm going to assume that you have added your KOVAN network. So the next thing we need to do is we need to get fake Ethereum for our KOVAN testnet. Okay, so we're going to be getting fake money just like this fake Ethereum. We need it as gas fees and for everything. We're going to be getting free Ethereum, free DAI, but on the test network is untradeable. You can't exchange it for real cash. Okay, this is fake money. So the next thing we need to go to the bank where we need to get this fake money, and these are called faucets. Okay, so this is the KOVAN testnet faucet. All we need to do is come over here and paste in our address. I've already copied my address. If you want to get your address, just come over to the test network because it's a public address. All of them is the same. So just click a copy. So once you copy, go over to the test of the faucet over here. As you can see, you just select 0.1 test Ethereum. It's going to be sent to your wallet, and just click on I'm not a robot. Okay. Sorry to cut in. If you're a Nigerian and you're watching this video and you have any kind of coin to sell, I'm a crypto vendor and I will buy your coins at very good rates. My contact is in the description below. Reach me and we can make deals. Once you click on I'm not a robot, you just go to click on send request, and the Ethereum is going to be sent to your wallet. Okay, so just wait for it to initiate and everything. Okay, so I'm just going to assume that it has sent because obviously it works. Okay, so the next thing we need to do while we wait for that, we need to go get fake DAI. Okay, for us to be able to use in this platform. So if you go to this platform, AAVE, staging.aave.com, you just click on that and make sure it is on this AAVE V2, not on any other one. AAVE V2, as you can see this K over here, this K means KOVAN. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to connect our wallet. My wallet is already connected, as you can see right here. If I disconnect it, I would have to connect, but since you're starting out first, you have to connect. Once it's connected, you're going to see your network there. The next thing we need to do, we need to come over here and collect free DAI, and click on more, click on faucet. Like I told you, faucets are places where you need to collect free tokens depending on the network you're on. But click on DAI, then click on this faucet over here. So we're going to be claiming 10,000 free DAI, and then we'll approve it on our Trust wallet, or MetaMask, sorry. So click on faucet. Okay, then click on confirm. So as you can see, that's why we needed Ethereum. Ethereum is what we use as a gas fee to claim this. So without Ethereum, I won't be able to claim this free DAI. Okay, so basically what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be loaning money. We're going to be borrowing money from here. We need to deposit money here first to be able to collect another coin that we want. Okay, and we're using our money as collateral. Okay, so the next thing we need to go to is click on go to deposit. Now we need to deposit some funds into this place, and we want to deposit DAI. Okay, and now since my account is connected, it shows here that I have 19,000 DAI. And remember, this is fake money, so I just want to deposit 10,000 DAI, and I click on continue. Okay, so this is going to let me know how much of any other coin that I'll be able to borrow from here. I can borrow Ethereum, I can borrow any other coin. Okay, but this is the AAVE. So we're going to be using another platform to complement this one, and that is why we are doing the test to see. So we have to confirm. So as you can see, it has finished depositing. So the next thing we want to do is we want to borrow, because that's the aim of this whole thing, to borrow. And what do we want to borrow? We want to borrow Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum we want to borrow, because that is what it says in the article. Make sure we borrow Ethereum. Okay, so we are borrowing Ethereum. So this is the amount of Ethereum that is available to borrow based on what we have deposited. So you have 0.6 Ethereum to deposit. Okay, just click on maximum. Okay, and then continue. Then choose on the variable APY, that one, and click on continue. We'll have to confirm everything. Okay, so borrow. Okay, so as you can see, we're finished borrowing. So we can go to our dashboard to see what we have done. Okay, so this is practically what we have done. The next thing we want to do is move on to the next website that is going to complement this other one. So we're going to Backstart.Fund. That's the name of the website. All you have to do is come over to Backstart.Fund, then click on view pools. Okay, then connect your MetaMask to it. So you see my MetaMask is already connected and it's on the KOVAN network, the KOVAN Testnet network. Okay, so we want to click on our DAI. Okay, so as you can see, I have $9,000 available, and I already have this deposit already. Okay, so next thing I want to do now is this right here is from when I deposited already from my previous attempt. So this, just assume that we have not deposited. We can deposit from our balance here. Let's just deposit $5,000 because we have just 9,000, and click on deposit and stake. Okay, so you can, if you don't have enough DAI, you can go back to AAVE. You can go back to AAVE, go to more faucets and get more DAI. Okay, but if you have enough, it's fine. So let's confirm this transaction. Sorry. So as you can see, it has been deposited, 5,000 subtracted. We have 14,000 now. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is go over to actions right here, and as you can see, it says we have found a protectable loan. So this is the loan from AAVE that we borrowed. Okay, we took this loan on Ethereum. Now the thing is, whenever the Ethereum goes down to a level, instead of us losing so much fund, the AAVE is going to liquidate, and when we liquidate, we are going to be on the losing end because we sold when it is low. But we don't want that to happen. That is why we are going to be using this application, this website, this Backstart Forms. This is their major goal, to help you to top it up. So whenever it gets to a threshold where this other website should have liquidated your funds to dollars, it will top it up to make sure it reaches that threshold. Okay, that's why we deposited $4,000, $5,000 here. So that $5,000, we're going to be using it to complement the other loan that we have here. So whenever it gets down, we're going to be topping it up for us automatically. So the next thing we want to do is click on that and click on our DAI, because we want to register an action. Okay, and click on continue. Okay, so as you can see right here, it is when it gets to 1.4, we could just set it to 1.4. Okay, so how much do you want to pay per top up? So we could just say $1,000 per top up, and how much in total do we want to use? We can just say 5,000. Okay, so what is the maximum gas you want to pay? We just put 20 GWay. So we'll click on confirm Topup Position. Okay, so we'll confirm. Okay, as you can see, we have registered a Topup Position. Okay, an action. So this is the total amount that we registered, that we deposited here on the Backstart Fund, 5,000, and the protocol we borrowed from or we loaned on it was AAVE, and now this is the threshold 1.4. So what it says is that when it gets to below 1.4, it should top my loan on AAVE with $1 each time it gets below 1.4. I don't want it to prevent liquidation. Okay, so according to the article that I'm reading here, the next thing after we've done all of the steps, so this is where we are right now from the article. Make sure you read through, or you can just follow my steps because I have read through. It's free and everything. So this is what we have gotten to. The next thing they want us to do is we need to delete our Topup Position, because this is just a testing phase. We just need to delete our Topup Position. All we have to do is go back to the Backstart Fund, click on over here, then delete Topup Position. Okay, delete Topup Position. Right. And that is it. Okay, so I think our position has been deleted. So as you can see, our position has been deleted. So when you go back to the article, the next thing it says you should do is say finally we withdraw our fund for our deposited assets and everything. Since we have deleted our position, all of our funds have been sent back to us as our deposit. So what we want to do now, we want to withdraw our deposits. Okay, so as you can see here, our position has been deleted. We don't have anything to do here again. So the next thing we need to do is come over to pools. Okay, click on the DAI. Since that's where we deposited, this is where we deposited, we want to withdraw. So click on this withdraw side, this withdraw. Okay, there. How much do we want to withdraw? Just click on maximum, withdraw all of it back to our MetaMask. Click on withdraw DAI, withdraw $14,000. And that is it. So we have done everything that is asked us to do. So we are going to be getting our airdrop soon. Okay, so if you actually found value in this video, why not give me a thumbs up, like my videos, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment in the section below, then we can talk. And I'm going to be posting out consecutive airdrops that are going to make sense to you, okay, that are going to actually give you real money. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I make a new video. Okay, I think that is pretty much it for today, guys. And again, this video, if you get it now, make sure you act on it, because I think on the 22nd of this month is going to be over. So act on this fast as soon as you get this video. See you next time, guys. Bye.